Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, we would like to express our highest gratitude to Almighty God for His blessing, love, opportunity, help, and mercy we can attend and participate in this special event without any obstacle. This final project entitled Fingerprint Absence Recap Application. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We are from 7 group. The first, Yepta Samosir. Second, Lamtiur Sianipar. Third, Grace Desi Tanggang. Fourth, Rotua Gita Simanjuntak. Fifth, Bongson Pane. Before we start, we are greatly appreciate also guest to examiner for advice, supervision, and crucial contribution in the improvement of the result of this final project. Here, we also want to thank to our lecturer who has helped us patiently finishing this final project by giving suggestion, guidance, and correction until the completion of this final project. An advisor for his supervision, advice, and guidance from the very early stage of this project, as well as giving us extraordinary experience throughout the final project. On this special event, we have several agenda as follows. First, introduction. Second, system overview. Third, procedure. Fourth, project document. Fifth, use case diagram. Sixth, weekly progress. 7, conclusion, and the last is demo. Background. The use of recap absent fingerprint was not optimal because it cannot give it in real time to the client. The obtained information from attendance machine still require further processing in order to be valuable information in making decision process. Development of recap absent fingerprint is an innovation and effort to provide information accurate and fast, especially for among of our clients. Integration recap absent fingerprint are intended into provide accuracy data where every time lecturer and staff fingerprint detection, the system will be display the status of lecturer and staff in or out from Itadal. This application will be used and information that display the presence of lecturer and staff attendance on the monitor screen. The next is system overview, will be present of my friend.
System overview. System overview is the current system and target system description. This section will explain the scope of existing and future system, business process, and use case of the system. Procedure. In this process, the lecturer, teaching assistant, staff will do the fingerprint. If it fails, cannot, will direct to the fingerprint again. If successful, the system will record and attendance data of the lecturer, teaching assistant, and staff according to the time attendance, and the system will group them into 2 conditions, namely late or not late. Thanks. The next explanation will be explained by my friend.
I will continue about our presentation about business process model notation target system. The first, if the actor wants to do their absence, they must do their fingerprint absence. The system will check the data from the fingerprint. If there are no data, the fingerprint will tell the user if the data is not available. But if there are data, the system will check the time to split about the late time or on time from the actor that make an absence and make a report to the human resource department or HRD. And then project document. In working on the project, there are the result of the analysis of the project development. Our document used to document it that what we use from the week 1 until week 16 to build our application. In this section, will be explained the document that we use to build the fingerprint absence recap system. And for the next presentation will taken by my friend.
Okay, I will continue our presentation about regarding supporting document used in the development of the fingerprint absence recap application project, namely terms of references, establish project goals and structure, commit, meeting, negotiation, or similar group of the people who have agreed to work together to achieve goals. PIP, Project Implementation Plan, a document that explains how the project will be implemented, monitored, and controlled. This document integrates and combines the overall additional plan and basic line of the planning process. Final report document. The purpose of this document is to make it easy for the builder to build the system, providing a description of the specification required by the user and load the final report of the running system of the absent fingerprint recap application development. Will be continue our plans.
Thanks for the chance. Now I will continue the presentation of our project. This is the use case diagram that we use in making our application function. There are 7 use case diagrams that we have built. I will explain the use case diagram. First, the admin can view the end of lecture. Secondly, the admin can view the presence of teaching assistant. Third, the admin attendance. Next, the admin can print lecture recapitulation data. Next, the admin can print the teaching assistant recapitulation data. Next, the admin can print staff recapitulation data. The admin can see employee data per unit. Now, I will explain about weekly progress. This is our group weekly progress from week 1 until week 16. On week 1, explain of project course. On week 2, group formation. On week 3, gathering survey data and making chart. On week 4 until week 6, gathering survey data. On week 7 until week 15, implementation. On week 16, seminar. Now, I will explain about conclusion presentation of our project. The conclusion are: the first, all functions have been implemented well by developer. Next, fingerprint absent recap application has been successful, built, and ready for use. And finally, developer hope that the fingerprint absent recap application can be help and benefit IRD in managing attendance data at the Dell Institute of Technology. Thus, the conclusion of our percentage. So that is the all explanation about our percentage. Now we will continue the demo project that we built in the fingerprint absent recap application.